In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new user in Salesforce. This is an essential skill for administrators who need to manage team access as part of their Salesforce environment. Let's dive right in and walk through the process, step by step. First, let's head over to Salesforce by navigating to your home page. If you're not already there, make sure you log in with the appropriate credentials to access the dashboard. Once there, you'll find a range of tools and settings available to help you manage your Salesforce environment. Today, we're focusing on adding new users to leverage your growing team's potential. Now, direct your attention towards the top right corner of the screen where you can find Quick Settings. It's designed to give you easy access to various administrative controls and configurations. By clicking on Quick Settings, you're essentially opening a gateway to a more detailed control panel where you can perform a variety of tasks. Next, locate and click on Open Advanced Setup. This action will lead you to the heart of your Salesforce settings where you'll have the ability to make more sophisticated changes and additions. Here you can customize the user experience and configure settings as needed for your business operations. In the search bar, you'll find on the left, known as Quick Find, type Users. This function is particularly useful when you're looking to navigate swiftly through the vast library of options and settings Salesforce offers. It filters out everything else, displaying only the relevant commands and settings associated with users. Once you see Users appear in the menu, go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the Users page where you can manage existing user profiles and add new ones. Look for the New button, which allows you to start creating a new user profile. When you click on New, you'll be required to input some basic user information. Here, your focus should be on entering the correct email address for the new user. Ensure it's a valid address that can receive emails since this is critical for the successful setup and future communications. Next, turn your attention to Profile. Here you will assign the new user a profile based on their role and responsibility within the organization. It's crucial to choose the right profile to ensure they have the necessary permissions and access rights needed for their role. After selecting the appropriate profile, head over to Send Invitation. By clicking this, you're sending an email invitation to the new user, which includes instructions on how they can access and set up their Salesforce account. Finally, once the invitation is sent, you can click Close to finish the process. This action completes the user creation journey, and you can rest assured that the new user now has the necessary access to start engaging with Salesforce. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a new user to your Salesforce environment. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it will enhance your team management capabilities. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy administrating.